Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to the world of Scratch programming. In this video, we'll learn about few more blocks that we are going to use in our new projects. So let's see and learn few more blocks. Control block. In control block, we learned about when green flag clicked, forever and repeat block. And today we'll learn one more block from control block menu, that is wait 1 second. So let's see what is the use of this block. So kids, we use wait 1 second block whenever we want to create a pose in our Scratch project. And also we use this when we want that our sprite must wait for another action or we want to slow down its speed. As you can see here in the given video, after using wait 1 second, the speed of moving of a sprite becomes slow. So whenever you want to create a pose or you want to slow down the speed of your sprite, we'll use wait 1 second, and you get this block from control block menu. Now move on to the next category of block menu, that is motion block. And in motion block, till now we learnt about move 10 steps, turn 15 degrees and if on edge bounce block. And today we'll learn one more block, that is set rotation style, that we use to change the rotation of our sprite. So let's see and learn about this block. Kids, we use set rotation style block to change the rotation of the sprite. And in this block we have three options: left, right, don't rotate and all around. As you all know that when our sprite moves and it reaches the end, it starts moving opposite. It turns around and then it starts moving again. So by default, if we are not using this block, our sprite will move in opposite direction. Means it will turn 360 degrees and it will keep on moving. So that is all around. So let's know about these three options one by one. So kids, our first rotation style option is left right. Left right option we use whenever we want to make our sprite rotate horizontally. Like you can see here in the given video, we have set the rotation style to left right, and when our sprite reaches the end, it will rotate horizontally and then start moving. Our second rotation style is don't rotate, and we use this rotation style only when we want to make the sprite face only one direction. Kids, as you can see here in the given video, as we have chosen the rotation style option as don't rotate, so when our sprite reaches the end, it will start moving in the backward direction. Means it will face only one direction, and when it reaches the end point of the stage, it will start moving in backward direction. And the last rotation style is all around. By default, if we are not using any block for rotation style, by default in our Scratch project, it is all around. It turns the sprite 360 degree. It flips the sprite vertically and then our sprite moves. So if you want to flip your sprite vertically, you can change the rotation style to all around. As you can see here in the given video, after changing the rotation style to all around, and when the sprite reaches the edge point of the stage, it flips vertically and then start moving. Kids, so far we have used different blocks in our Scratch project that we have used from different blocks menu, that are control block, motion block and pen block. And today we'll learn one more block menu, that is looks block. Looks block are color coded purple, and as the name suggests, looks means appearance. So to change the appearance of sprite, we use looks block, and from looks block menu we will use different blocks that are next costume, change color effect by 10 and save blocks. So let's learn and see the usage of these blocks one by one. Our first block from looks block menu is next costume. This block change its sprite costume to the next one in the costume pane. Now what is a costume? Costume is basically the appearance or the position of a sprite in different costumes. Like here for a cat sprite we have two costumes for its moving position, in which its legs positions are changing in both the costumes. As you can see here, after adding these two costumes of cat sprite in costume tab, we will use next costume block to change the costume, and you can see that in the given video that after using next costume block our sprite is moving and changing the position of its leg. So this is next costume block that we use to change the costume of a sprite. A sprite may have two or more costumes. Our next block is change color effect by 10 block, and this block we use to change the color and some other graphic effect applied to the sprite by the specified number. Here we use color effect only. As you can see here in the given video, after applying this effect the color of my butterfly sprite has started changing. So you can change its value from 10 to any other number as well. So kids, our last block from looks block menu is say block. It allows the sprite to say some message in a voice bubble. Kids, it will show the message in a bubble. It will not speak the message. It only displays the message. So we use say hello block to display hello in a voice bubble. And if you want to display that message for a specified number of seconds, for that you can use say dash for dash seconds, like say hello for 2 seconds. So it will display your hello message for 2 seconds only. As you can see here in the given video, we have two sprites, a cat and a bat, which are doing some conversation, and for that we use these blocks and we set some specified number of seconds. So this is the block, that is say block, that we use from looks block menu.